This video is about getting your bedroom ready for the fall and winter. Now, as the colder months approach, people will start thinking about maybe changes in their bedroom to make the bedroom a little cozier and a little warmer. And in this video, we identify a variety of tips. And in the interest of keeping this video below a couple of minutes, what we have done instead is identify some links, whether you're on YouTube or on our website. There are links below that will explain or provide access to the articles like how to wash your down comforter, what to look for in a new one, and just scroll down if you're inclined to view those other articles. So a lot of people don't use a down comforter, or those that do may forego it in the warmer months, and they will replace it with a coverlet. So either way, or they may sleep with a coverlet all year round, either way, might want to consider using a down comforter. They're incredibly cozy, very, very warm, light and airy, and wonderful to sleep under. Now in the warmer months, many decorate their bedrooms in light pastel colors. They make the room lighter and airier. But in the winter, consider some of the jewel tones. And these things might be as simple as changing out some of the shams, the throws, or the decorative pillows that you have on your bed. It will bring an entirely fresh look to your bedroom, and it makes your room a little bit cozier and comfortable. So again, consider the jewel tones, oranges, grays, gold, and the like. Now this is also a great time to inspect the condition of your down comforter, if you're using one, and your sleeping pillows. Both of these items wear out, and it's very, very easy to inspect them. So we've provided a link below that will take you to another page or video that shows how to easily tell if it's time to replace yours. And if it is time to replace yours, we have a video that identifies some of the attributes that you may want to consider in the purchase of your next one. In addition to that, we've got a couple of videos below that show how to wash your pillows and how to wash your down comforter. Now, we do ask you to like this video, and if you do, thank you very much. But as always, if you have any questions, bedding related of course, please give us a call, send us an email. We're happy to assist. Hey, thanks for taking a minute to watch this video. Thanks for your interest in Hero Limits.